Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have a little bit of everything for you, some cleaning, some cooking, a little bit of a home update. So I'm really excited to share with you some of these things in this video, as well as show you some of my new favorite cleaning products. So I hope you guys are excited, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So first thing is I'm going to be showing you how I clean my grout. My grout is disgusting and I needed to change that quickly. So I bought a Bissell steam mop. It's got the spot boost like little brush thing. It was I think around $89 on Amazon, but you can always get them on sale if you buy it somewhere else, or Target. Sometimes they'll do specials, but mine was sold out everywhere, so I just ordered it on Amazon. But all I can say is I love this thing. I've used it so many times, so I'm just going to demonstrate for you guys like what it does to your grout. It gets super hot, like your floors just feel clean and sanitized, so can't recommend this enough. But I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the before and afters, as well as how I use it. I used it so far in my bathroom, my bedroom, and my kitchen. Can't say enough good things about it, and I will link it down below for you guys. About to show you a picture of the before and after. It's kind of hard to tell, but it made a huge difference in my bathroom, and especially in my kitchen, which I'm going to show you later on. And then I just did it in my bedroom, and with having 3 dogs, it really just is important to me to make sure my floors are actually clean. All that dirt is what was left over after a regular mop. So finally, the next thing I'm going to be doing is hanging up my curtains. I had already done it on one side and then literally waited like 2 weeks to finish it. I don't know. Sometimes I get on these projects and I just either run out of time or I kind of lose the motivation. I don't like hanging curtains, so I guess that's why. And also, these are tie top curtains. They're Lauren Conrad from Kohl's. And so they're just a little bit harder to put up because you have to tie them each individually, which is my fault because that's what I wanted. But I love the way they look, and they're super sheer little curtains that have some gold flecks in them, so really ties them with the lamps and any kind of gold accent throughout a room. This day I actually washed our duvet cover as well. I try to do that at least once a month, especially since I have a dog that sleeps on our bed every single night. Now moving into the kitchen, I was going to go ahead and get the dishes going before I started dinner. So I'm just going to go ahead and load all these dirty dishes and wash anything by hand, as well as wipe down the counters, which I should have waited to wipe down the counters, but that's okay because I ended up making kind of a mess while I was making dinner. So tonight for dinner, I'm making a childhood favorite of mine. It's just called chicken roll-ups. So easy to do. You just have crescent rolls, some canned chicken, cream of chicken soup, some cheddar cheese, and some milk, and you basically just put them all inside, put all that together in a bowl, and then put it inside a crescent roll. I'll leave the actual recipe like typed out for you guys down below, but my mom used to make these a lot for us growing up, and it's a good thing to make when you don't have time to thaw anything out and you need a quick yummy dinner. They are so good and always a favorite in our house. actually got this new dresser from IKEA. We have the matching one that's an actual dresser. I don't know what this one's technically called, but it's more like a gentleman's chest kind of size, and we really needed more drawers. So I was moving our TV on top of it. We've actually gotten a new TV for it since I've filmed this video, so I just want to show you guys that little update. So I'm going to be folding all of this laundry that I've let pile up for about a week or two, and then organize some of it into my new drawers, so I have a lot more drawer space, and now I don't dread putting clothes away. And here I'm showing you guys how I put my duvet insert back in. I use the like burrito method or something. I just do all the ties while it's inside out, and then I roll it up and then have like Aaron help me shake it out and get it all even and evenly dispersed, and it seems to work well. I mean, obviously I hate doing this, but duvet covers are so much nicer when you have dogs. Just throw in the washing machine and get clean. So now I'm going to dust. This is an old jewelry chest from my grandma, so it's really special. But it got really dusty because it's where that TV used to sit before we got the new piece of furniture from IKEA. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust that off and then dust off the TV as well. Now it's time to organize some drawers. So I'm just going to be putting stuff like all my scrubs and things I wear to work or school in the same drawer, as well as like all my t-shirts. I have way too many t-shirts, but you know, that's okay. And I'm going to organize all these drawers. So I got the top two, and then Aaron gets the bottom two, and then the top little ones, I guess I'll just keep like jewelry or something in there, or little things that can get lost, because I don't really know what those are for. The next thing I'm so excited to show you is this Pro Heat little, I guess it's an upholstery cleaner from Bissell. It's made for pets too, so it's really, really good if you have pets. And we finally just invested in our own because we would rent like the store carpet cleaner. And I wanted to have one where we could use it on the couch or any kind of like spots on the carpet that are hard to get up. So we bought this one at Target. It's actually had a good coupon for it, and I think it was like $100. So we've used it so far on the sofa, my captains are like little chairs, and then Aaron's truck. We used it to clean all of his like seats and stuff because the dogs, you know, have had accidents in his truck and when they were puppies. So we really needed to deep clean his upholstery. And all I can say is this thing is amazing. I absolutely love it. You just pour the clean water in, and then it sucks all the water and dirt up, and then you just dump that little thing out, and you can see how much nastiness was in your couch or in your chairs. So if you are looking for an affordable little carpet cleaner, upholstery cleaner, I highly recommend this one, and I will link all these things down below. I just really love Bissell products because they're made specifically for pet hair too, like they can handle it, and I have a lot of that in my house. Definitely was kind of nervous to do it on these chairs because they're so pretty and I don't want to mess them up, but it works so good. It got a lot of dirt out, and I'm glad I have this to use in the future. Oh, and I've also used it on my upholstered headboard, and it worked really well on that too. Then it was time for me to Windex our table. I'm using my cleaner from Everspring from Target, just the glass cleaner. This table gets so dirty so easily because we like to eat in the dining or in the living room some nights and watch TV or something. So we always put our plates down, and then if there's any crumbs, the dogs will lick the table. So there's always their lick marks and stuff. So I have to clean it quite often. So we are actually doing a backsplash in our kitchen, so that's what you see. It's not done in these clips, but I will show you the finished product at the end of this video. So I had these eat letters that I painted a long time ago in our apartment, but I really just wasn't feeling the blue kind of gray, so I decided to go ahead and take them down and paint them black because my kitchen is mainly white and black, and I wanted to just go ahead and do it. I had the paint left over from when I redid our guest bathroom, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. So I really liked the way they turned out, and they were a nice pop to the kitchen, so I'm glad I did it. I know it was kind of hard for me to decide if I wanted to or not, but these were just those cheap little wooden letters you can get at Hobby Lobby, so highly recommend these for DIYs. Last but not least, I'm steam mopping my kitchen floor. I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed this floor for an hour and got all of the grout clean with this thing. It is amazing. It's so addicting to me. I don't know, I'm weird, but I love to see changes. When I do something and something changes for the better, I love to see that, especially when I know it's getting clean. I really focused my attention around the dog's bowl areas and around the stove and stuff where we spill a lot of food. So I'll show you at the end of before and after, but the little spot brush thing worked the best for this grout. And then as long as you follow behind it with a towel to kind of soak up some of the excess water and the dirt, it works amazing. I love it. I literally can't recommend this tool enough. So I will link it all down below where you guys can go and look at it and read the reviews to see it for yourself. Here you can really see the difference, and I ended up doing my whole kitchen, so now my whole kitchen is super clean. So that is it, guys. I know this video was all over the place and a little crazy, but I hope you enjoyed just seeing how my life goes. This is filmed throughout a week and just all the things we do in 1 week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I thank you so much to all my new subscribers that have come over lately. My channel's been growing, and I really am so excited to have y'all here. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will stay around and come back and see me in the next video. But until then, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!